Are you ready to level up your bonsai game? This week on Species Spotlight, we're diving into the majestic Japanese black pine. Known for its iconic silhouette and rugged bark, this species is a favorite among bonsai enthusiasts. And for good reason. Whether you're just starting out or looking to expand your collection, this tree is an absolute must-know. Stick around to learn how to care for it, maintain its health, and unlock its full potential. And hey, if you love bonsai as much as we do at the Bonsai Barn, don't forget to like this video, hit subscribe, and turn on those notifications so you never miss a spotlight. Let's grow together. The Japanese black pine, or Pinus thunbergii, is a hardy evergreen species that's both stunning and resilient. Its thick needles, textured bark, and natural elegance make it a classic choice for bonsai styling techniques. It's also one of the most forgiving species for beginners. So don't worry if you're just getting started. Quick question for you. Have you ever tried working with a Japanese black pine, or is this your first time learning about it? Now let's start with the essentials. Bonsai tree care for your Japanese black pine. 1. Light requirements. This tree thrives outdoors in full sun. If you're growing it as an outdoor bonsai, make sure it gets 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight a day. Indoors? It's tricky. Japanese black pine isn't an ideal indoor bonsai, but if you must, place it in the brightest spot possible and rotate it often. 2. Watering tips. Japanese black pines prefer consistent moisture but hate being overwatered. A good rule of thumb? Let the top layer of soil dry out slightly before watering again. Need more bonsai watering tips? Check out my video on that after this one. 3. Soil requirements. Use well-draining soil to prevent root rot. A mix of akadama, pumice, and lava rock is ideal. This species loves its roots to breathe. Ready to shape your tree? Here's what you need to know. Pruning techniques. Regular pruning is key to keeping your bonsai in shape. Remove unwanted branches to improve its structure, but avoid heavy pruning in late fall or winter. It could stress the tree. Wiring methods. Wiring is crucial for styling the Japanese black pine's branches. Be gentle, though. The bark is delicate and can scar if you're too rough. Fertilization guide. During the growing season, feed your tree every 2 to 4 weeks with a balanced fertilizer. This helps stimulate growth and keeps the needles vibrant. Quick question for you. What's your favorite style for bonsai trees? Informal upright? Windswept? Share your thoughts. I'd love to know. Even hardy species like the Japanese black pine aren't immune to problems. Here are some common bonsai health tips. Pests. Watch for aphids and spider mites. Preventing bonsai pests is easier than fixing an infestation, so keep a close eye on your tree. Diseases. Root rot can be an issue with poor drainage. Make sure that soil mix is on point. Signs of unhealthy bonsai. Yellowing needles, stunted growth. These are signs your bonsai may need help. Catch the issue early, and you can revive a dying bonsai with the right care. One last tip, bonsai care changes with the seasons. During winter, protect your Japanese black pine from freezing temperatures by placing it in a sheltered location. And don't forget to reduce watering since it won't be growing as actively. And there you have it. Everything you need to get started with a Japanese black pine bonsai. It's an incredible species that's sure to bring years of beauty to your collection. If you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up and drop a comment below with your biggest takeaway. And if you're new to bonsai, check out my playlist for beginner bonsai tips. I've got tons of content to help you on your journey. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can catch next week's Species Spotlight. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.